right. Yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. And yes, I would like to welcome all the return subscribers. Yes, thank you so much. And still, to those ones who are still new on this channel, I would like you to click on that red button, ring the bell, because we always upload videos every week. So if you want to catch up with us, this is the channel that uploads videos that we upload videos of all hairstyles. So if you want to learn, we have braids, weavings, crochet, and then braiding. So it is now it is good for you to click on the red button so that you can be watching all the videos that we upload. So this time around, we're going to see something that is very interesting, and it has been trending all over on TikTok. So everyone would love to know how we did it. Yes, and probably the main issue here, like why people are still asking themselves, it is that line that I tried to add in here. So what I'm going to do, the major point is the line, and then I'm going to show you how I managed to do this line by using our inside knotless or inside cornrows, the way we always braid it. Sorry, and I know most of you guys know how to do this. And yes, if you don't know yet, you can still join my online classes, and that is going to be on my website, that is www.maurice.crochetmaster.com. Yes, and still on our salon, still on the website for our salon, that is www.hairbyclippers.com. You can still get those courses. So when I made this, I'm trying to create that line that I already see people do it in their short hair. So this time around, I wanted to do it with the crochet and see how it is going to come out. So let's see how I made this line. right, I think you can see how I tried to manage the line. And now this one, you just have to continue with the braiding, the normal braiding. To those ones who have watched the previous video, still with the same hairstyle, but the other one we just added in the straight line. So this one is trying to be something like a zigzag line. And yes, you can create all lines that you want according to your creativity and the art that you have in your head. So for now, let's try to add in our extension, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna be adding the links in the description so that you can go and check it out and get it for yourself. So she got her hairline was somehow like this, so I tried to add these threads so that they'll help me to add in a crochet, because on this one you don't need to overspace it, because the more you overspace, the more it creates those humps in it. So you have to pack it very well until you get until it is fully packed. And I know there's some people are going to ask me about like how many pieces that I used. Yes, you can always use two. Two pieces are enough for this crochet. Right, so like when I reach on this line, you can see how I'm doing it, and I'm trying to make sure that my line comes out very nicely. So this is how it is. You just try to be as gentle as possible. Yes, you don't want to bring tension and maybe to bring pain someone, so I'm just doing it as gentle as possible so that I don't bring that. So you can also do this, and I told you can always do it in different lines, like all lines that you want. You can still do them as long as you trust your art and the creativity. So now, after doing all that, we just have to make sure that we pack it very well until it is fully packed. So after all that, if you realize that is full packed, we can start doing the trimming. And the trimming, most of the times I told you, it is very hard for me to tell you how you're supposed to trim this. It is like something that you feel in your head according to the shape that you're going to do, or even that shape that the client wants. It's what you're supposed to do. And now this is what I'm trying to do here to maintain the whole shape together. But now I just want to make something here that some people can understand. There is the thing of adding the bond, yes, the bond, and like maybe like in front. Yes, let me try to tell you about this. We all know that the bond can always come out after some time, but for the crochet, like the way it is here, it can stay for a long time. So for me, I believe, and I would like at least when we are doing this in this crochet, let's try to trim it very well before adding the bond. And if we realize that our clients their clients the clients are comfortable with the hair cutting before adding the bond, and that is good, because the bond is just doing it like a finishing. So don't feel like, because I've been getting clients, they feel like they want even the front hair to last longer than they expect. So most of the times I tell them the truth that yes, we can still do it, but it cannot last that long that you feel you want. So if you're adding the bond, it is okay, but still you may not want to add it on. So now, like when you see here, I haven't added it, but it was still looking good. So you just have to first make it perfect, and then you can add it, in that when they're off, still someone can remain with her hair very well. So all these products that I'm using, I'm going to add them in the description so that you can see them very well. Right, so after we're done, we're just going to put our elastic, and there are not some people, if you don't have this, you can use a wrapper. You make sure that you tie it very well and it becomes firm. So when you feel like it is firm, you can always remove and then do the finishing. So you just have to make sure that is this tight. So we can always remove and we do the finishing, and this is when you have to trim it slowly by slowly until you get the good results. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and trust me, I love this hair since it can last longer, apart from this bond gel. But according to me, I always make sure that I trim it very perfect even before you add on these the bond. In that, like when the bond are off, you can still have your hair looking very perfect. I'm gonna be signing out. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. May God keep blessing you all. I love you so much. But don't make sure that you give me a like, share if you can, and please comment. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.